How to create a new account on Mobile Legends. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can create a new account on Mobile Legends. So let's dive in. First, when you open your Mobile Legends app, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click the switch account option. And now you have to just choose the account that you want to create or connect your Mobile Legends app to. You can choose this Moontoon account option. And then you have to simply go and it's going to load over here the page for you, and then you can just create a new account using your Moontoon account, or you can just click switch account and you can choose any other option. Now you simply have to enter the login details and click login, and you have created a new Mobile Legends account and you're good to go. You can also choose the switch account option, and here you can choose this Facebook account or Game Center option, or you can sign in with your Apple account and create a new account using these IDs. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.